Good morning and welcome to the Law Office of Kyle Watkins. Is deferred adjudication a good deal? Deferred adjudication is probably not a good deal if the prosecutor is offering it to you because the prosecutor knows they cannot prove the case against you. It probably is a good deal if the prosecutor is offering it because it is a genuine bargain offer, not just an offer. When is an offer not a bargain? Well, if we're dealing with a case where the most likely outcome of a trial is probation and the offer is probation, well, that's just not a bargain. It's an offer, but it's not a bargain offer. We may as well go to trial and then get saddled with a probation if we lose. There is no incentive there to plead guilty to get a probation when we already know we have a very high likelihood of getting a probation if we go to trial and if we lose. What makes an offer a bargain? A bargain is an offer that is less than what you likely would be sentenced to if you went to trial and lost. Let's say that in a particular case, the most likely outcome, if we go to trial and lose, is 1 year in jail. And the offer is 3 years of deferred adjudication probation. That 3 years of deferred adjudication probation is less than or better than the most likely sentence of 1 year in jail. And therefore, in that case, deferred adjudication, probably a good deal. But only if the prosecutor can prove the case against you. If the prosecutor really can make the case, it is a good deal because number one, it's a probation and not jail. And number two, it's a deferred adjudication probation. Of all of the types of probation, deferred adjudication probation is one of the less onerous. Sometime in the future, we'll make a video going over the various types of probation. We'll put a link in the description box below. So what exactly does deferred adjudication mean? It means the court is going to defer or put off the adjudication or the conviction. To put something off is to defer it, and to adjudicate is to convict. The court will put off the conviction. Mechanically, the way this works, the court will have you enter a plea of guilty. The judge will take that plea, put it into his or her file, and keep it there. So long as you do not get into trouble during the course of your probation, the judge will never find you guilty, meaning you will never be convicted of the crime. If anyone ever asks you if you have been convicted of a crime, a prospective employer, anyone, you should and correctly must answer no. What's more, most types of deferred adjudication probation are eligible to have the records of the whole case sealed from public view, meaning the public, private employers, etc. will not be able to see the records and will have no knowledge of the existence of the case. So how do you know if deferred adjudication probation is a good deal? You can use your own judgment, rely on your own understanding. However, your gut is probably telling you at this point, this is complicated. And that is true. It is complicated. About the only way to make a well-reasoned, informed decision is to get advice from an experienced attorney that you like and that you trust. Someone that has done this many hundreds of times. Your lawyer that knows the facts and circumstances of your case better than anyone. If this video has been helpful to you, please hit the thumbs up button. It helps to push this information out to more people that may benefit from it. And if you are interested in keeping current on criminal law and procedure issues, please hit the subscribe button and get notified when new content is released. See you next time.